Good morning, students. I, Sunita Naik, welcome you to our English grammar class. Students, a sentence has a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. But not all sentences are the same. Not all thoughts are the same. You may want to tell someone a simple fact, or you might want to ask them a question or tell them what to do. Sometimes you are just overcome with emotions and you blurt out how you are feeling. There are 4 types of sentences to express all of these kinds of thoughts. Students, our today's topic is types of sentences, and the types are: first type is assertive sentences, second type is interrogative sentences, third type is exclamatory sentences, and the fourth type is imperative sentences. Let's start with the first type, that is assertive sentences. Students, look at these sentences. The first sentence is, trees give us oxygen. This statement tells us a fact. Fact means truth. Second sentence is, I brush my teeth every day. Now, this sentence is a habitual action. Habitual action means a habit, anything you do repeatedly. Now come to the third sentence. The sun rises in the east. This sentence is a universal truth. Universal truth means the reality, truth or fact which are universally accepted and does not change with time, situation, place, etc. Now the fourth sentence is, mango shake is tastier than banana shake. This statement is an opinion. Opinion means what you think about something or somebody. Opinion can be different because not all the people think the same. Students, these all sentences are assertive sentences. So, what is an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence or a statement states a fact, habitual action, universal truth or opinion. Remember students, it always ends with a full stop. The second type is interrogative sentences. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. You are interrogating someone. You don't have to be a hard-boiled detective. You can ask a question very nicely. Remember students, it ends with a question mark. Most interrogative sentences start with some kind of questioning word. Questioning word means WH words like WHO who, WHAT what, where, when, why, how, do. Let us understand these with some examples. First is, who are you? This sentence starts with questioning word who and ends with a question mark. Second sentence is, what's for dinner? This sentence also starts with questioning word what and ends with a question mark. Third sentence is, where are my keys? This sentence also started with questioning word and ends with the question mark. Fourth sentence, when is the test? Fifth sentence is, why do birds suddenly appear? Sixth sentence, how are you? Seventh sentence, do you want something to drink? Eighth sentence is, have you seen Ram today? Ninth sentence is Tom your brother? Students, these all sentences are the examples of interrogative sentences. Remember students, all interrogative sentences end with a question mark. As you can see in these examples, all the sentences are ending with a question mark. You won't find question mark in any other kind of sentences. That's all for the day. Have a blessed day. Thank you.